What is Dab app? In this video, I'm just gonna go over and give you a quick overview of what Dab app is. So Dab app is the first regulated copy trading platform in America. It specializes trading applications that launched in 2023, founded by 23-year-old man named Stephen Wang. Dab is like Instagram for investing, wherein it allows you to copy other investors. Copy trade politicians like Nancy Pelosi, hedge funds manager like Warren Buffett, the top traders on X, and many more. Anyone can make a stock portfolio and publish it. You can also get copied by other dub users as well.